How to add chapters to YouTube videos. This tutorial shows you how to create timestamps and chapters for better video navigation on YouTube. First, launch your web browser or Chrome app on your Android device. Next, type youtube.com/studio in the address bar to access YouTube Studio. Following that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. Now, locate and select Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site from the menu. Moving forward, the page will reload and display the desktop version of YouTube Studio. Afterwards, sign into your YouTube account if you're not already logged in. In addition to that, you'll see your channel dashboard with various options. Once YouTube Studio loads, tap on Content from the left sidebar menu. Subsequently, find and select the video you want to add chapters to. Moreover, tap on the video thumbnail or title to open the video details page. Afterwards, scroll down to the description section where you'll edit timestamps. Then, tap inside the description box to start adding your chapter timestamps. Within this section, type timestamps in the format 0:0 followed by your chapter title. Alternatively, continue adding more timestamps like 1:30, 3:45, and so on with their titles. Once you've added all your chapter timestamps, make sure the first one starts at 0:0. Then scroll down and tap on Save to apply the changes to your video. Afterwards, YouTube will process the chapters and they'll appear on your video timeline. Then, viewers can now navigate through your video using the chapter markers you created. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add chapters to YouTube videos, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.